Good morning to you. Welcome back to the channel.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful.
Today is a day I never thought would come. It is moving day. Can you believe it? I'm trying to pick up glasses. Sorry, one sec. Okay, I've got my glasses that were 75p. Today, believe it or not, I thought I'd never ever say this. It's moving day and I'm loading up the car. It's not actually as full as I imagined. I thought it would be a lot fuller, not gonna lie. It's really not as full as I imagined it would be. There's only a few boxes in there. I'm gonna try and put my glasses somewhere that won't smash. I love them. No! My Udi squashed my plants. Are you okay in there? I'm taking some plants with me. But yeah, today's moving day. Here is the car. Let's do this. Look how sad my room looks. It's so empty. That's actually really sad. Bye fishies, I forgot to clean you out. Alfie will have to do it. Oh, my poor room. Look at the lack of plants. There's no pictures, no pictures, no pictures. That's actually so sad. I feel like Alfie will end up moving into my room. Well, I'm just grabbing the last few bits. I don't think I need anything from in there. I'm like paranoid I'm gonna forget something that I need. But I think I've done all my packing. I want to find my house keys actually, crap. House keys, where are you? No idea where they are. Bye room.
Bye.
Bye! See you at Christmas. Ew, no thanks, dude. It's me waving behind. Bye. Bye house. You can see them. They're like there. When we have a house, babe, it'll be much easier to get out of the drive. I promise. I need to put my seatbelt on. Bye house. Bye home. See you in November. It's actually a bit scary. I didn't get to say goodbye to Missy. I couldn't find her. We had a many cuddles this morning though. It was okay. She was helping me pack. And I didn't put my eyebrows on. We made a little stop. We're like, what, an hour and a half from home? Sorry about this backlighting. We come for stops. I've got this for the first time ever. It's like the apple and kiwi blended iced tea. It basically just tastes like those fizzy apple sweets, you know, like those fizzy belts. It's delish. And then I got a little panini. But Jack's been a bit hard done by because there's nothing vegan that he can eat, so he's like Googling where to get food from. It's gonna be like 3 more hours, I think. And then we are there. Woo! And I think we're gonna get a little takeaway tonight. Good morning. Here we are in the kind of a bit scammy Airbnb. Moon's not a fan.
I'm not a fan.
It's just a bit gross. It's not really that clean. There's not anything in here. It's just a bit empty. There's nothing. There's like no remotes to the TVs. There's no hair dryers. Only 5 chairs. One's missing. It's just a bit. But it is.
Taking a chair away in case you get overexcited.
It's cute views though. It's got nice windows. Oh, you can't see. The view from our window is nice. But yeah, it's just a bit gammy. And we're gonna go for breakfast now. Woo! It is in a good location. It's like 20 seconds from my halls. So let's do it. We're here. We checked in as in like it was a hotel, lol. We got here like 2 hours ago, I think, Moon. It was very swish. The man just took me up to my room with my keys and said, wait here and then we'll bring your stuff up. So they just delivered it, and then he was like, I was like, oh, will you tell my mum like where to go? And he was like, yes, we will escort her. Moon got escorted. I haven't quite finished unpacking. There is still like some boxes. Moon's loving life. And then all of this just random stuff. And I'm very content with my bathroom. I will do a tour. It's very cute. I've got my towels. It's all very pink really. And I've got a pretty decent sized wardrobe, you know. So we're gonna continue to unpack. The kitchen is the only bit where I'm tight for space. But we've done like a little Tetris moment and we've made it work, you know. And yeah. Oh my gosh, the view. Let me show you the view. Look how sexy that view is. Like that's like the best view you could probably get of the Hoe. Is it called a Hoe? Yeah. Woo! Apparently the Hoe
That's the Hoe with the
is the lighthouse.
The Barbican is the bit with the boats.
Okay. Oh, there's the lighthouse. Cute! I'm on the top floor and it's gonna be grand. This is gonna be literally my bedroom. It feels weird. It feels like I'm still like on holiday and I'm like, it's okay, I'll be home soon. No, I will not. But yeah.
Oh, you will.
Well, I will, but not like to live there. And Missy's decided she loves Alfie now. She's just stopped loving me. She wouldn't say goodbye to me. Now she loves Alfie. It's not
She's
fair.
a fickle kitten, that one.
She's a smart kitten. She just loves whoever's around. So she gets the most love.
The best way.
When you get home, she's going to be so annoying when Alfie's at school. You'll just be stuck and she'll just be like clawing at you. Here's my jungle of plants. Hee hee. I got Emma's mug. I love it. It's so cute.
Yeah.
I'm gonna finish and then I'll give you a tour, I promise, because that's basically why you're here, let's be real. Covered up this manky pinboard with sticky black white plastic. I'm not gonna lie, pretty proud of myself. It looks good. Underneath, I just can't be asked to peel it back and show you. It's like this gross grey, like grey felt. Yeah, grey pinboard material. So this was like $4.99 on Instagram, on Amazon, and it's just, oh god, done the absolute trick. And hidden that, so now I can put my nice Polaroids on it. Woo! Look how cute. I love this one. These are from this year's birthday. I think I've got my UDI in it. This is my favourite. Hee hee. Woman, come visit me. Yay. I love this picture of me and Ellie so much. Fantastic Christmas. I look so bedraggled. We're gonna go out now and get some like blue tack and baskets and do my food shop. Got my gin. Yeah, I'm just sort of, it's taking so long. Here's all my crap. Basically just giving you a room tour now, but I promise I'll give you one when it's finished. It might be in a couple days. Rip. Hello, it has been a couple days now. Today is now Tuesday and I think I last talked to you on Saturday when everything was still being put up. I've settled in now, Jack's gone, my mum's gone, everything's all put in its place. So this is what you've all been waiting for, the grand tour. I'll flip you around. Obviously, like, this is the door and then this is what you see when you first come in. Why is that really smudgy? Is that better? Yeah, sorry about that. Just some hooks. I've got bags, keys, coat, stuff like that. And then I've got the bathroom. I've got my towels on here. And then laundry basket in there. And then it's my bathroom. Pink. So I got my skanky flannel. I've got this little pot, got my toothbrushes in it. How cute's this? I had this already and then I found this in a charity shop. It's literally the exact same. I just got a little reed diffuser in there. And then these two little pots. I've got my little face scrubber thing. I think maybe when my razor dies I might get a Hey Eastridge one so it can just go underneath like the Eastridge, whatever it's called. I've got these just two, a little fake planty on the edge, pink soap, yay. This is my favourite part. Look how organised that is. Shower stuff, face stuff, body stuff, hair stuff, and then just a little thing with my tampons in, headband, flannel, and then my shower. Look how fancy the shower is, like it's a proper nice shower. I've got hooks up here but I haven't really used them. So I've just got all my thingy-my-bobbles in here. That was a housewarming present to myself from myself. My favourite smell and Lush, so good. And my conditioner on the floor. And then come out the bathroom. I had to buy toilet cleaner. I'm literally an adult, and toilet roll. Look at me go. And then you come, obviously I got wardrobe. It's not a bad wardrobe, you know. It's like decent hanging space. Quite a lot of stuff. And then here's the room, really. Look, I'll show you the view. It's honestly the best part. Look at that. You can see the fairy lights, but look at that. Best view ever. Then obs, my bed. Bedside table. For the girl who literally can't read, well, I've got so many fucking books. Fairy lights. They're so cute. Me and Jack put them up the other day. I'm actually obsessed with this duvet. It's well cute. Even though this blanket's really tiny, It's real cute and I love it. And then my desk got flipped around again. Just got prints from home, all of this. I covered up the pin board as I think I showed you. Got my light, but sorry, it's really like... and then a few pots of stuff. And then I painted this plant pot yesterday just so it'd be less gross. And then just a little basket of stuff, makeup brushes. Isn't this so cool? It's like a spinning thing that you stick your makeup in. Iris didn't want it, so she gave it to me, and then I filled it in with black, really badly there, lol, sorry. Filled it in with black contact paper to just make it look a bit nicer. Super duper cute. Best view ever. And then just up here is just like uni stuff, plants. That shelf is not how I want it, but we'll just leave it. Some good luck cards from my mum and my mum's friend. And then just a few prints underneath there, and then my cellar water, a plant, and then the goods. Yeah, and obviously the Polaroid. And that is the room tour. I'm literally obsessed with my bed. It's so cozy and comfy, and it's actually real comfy. All down here, I forgot to show you these things. I've got like this basket of my shoes and this blanket that Jack gave me. I was like wrapped in it today whilst I was doing uni work, and it's just stayed on that chair. Printer, log thing from home, sweets, straighteners, storage. Honestly, if you're coming to uni, you can't get enough storage. Like pretty boxes and wire boxes, whatever it's called. I don't know how to explain it. But yeah, this is my room. I hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoy. I hope you enjoyed. I'm not sure what else content I can really make. A vlog maybe, but I'm just not that confident enough yet. Don't want to vlog in the kitchen. Nobody else in my flat knows I have a YouTube channel. I've waffled for way too long. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you next time. Bye!